Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning unit 15. Its title is Riddles. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And my dear students, today we are going to read and understand this unit. Before this, in your unit 7, I have taught you how to look at the pictures to understand the text. I hope you remember, and we are going to learn further to use pictures in text to increase understanding. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Mulk, verse 30, say to them, did you even consider if all the water that you have in the wells were to sink down into the depth of the earth, who will produce for you clear flowing water? Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us the importance of water, and better, this is also teaching us a way of talking. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not say save water, it's important. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has put a situation in front of us, and then he's asking how you are going to handle it. So this is another way of communication. We can communicate by asking question in writing and orally. We make a situation or we make a question and we want to find out how to answer it, how to think about this situation, right? So this is, you see, everything Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches us in Quran. So this type of learning we are going to learn today. And first you tell me, can you tell what is a riddle? Do you know, have you ever listened what a riddle is? Do you know anything? So pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, basically better riddles are statements or clues to guess an object or answer a question. It is a play way learning, like we make a situation, we give clues, and that clue is not very clear. It is a little, you have to think about it, what it can be, what it could be, what the person is. Okay, so this is how, and it is an interesting way of learning because we keep on thinking, and our brain, it's a brain exercise. We think about many things and then we choose the correct one which fits to the situation, right? So this way of communication is riddles. So today, because our lesson is about riddles, so let's study about it. This is mentioned in your book as well. A riddle is generally a question or a statement that requires unexpected thinking for its answer. It is a type of puzzle. So this is the first riddle. And what is this? What is this? It has a trunk. It has 4 legs. Now this is a riddle. And this riddle, to answer this, you have to look at this picture. Okay, this picture is for clue. If you know the answer, raise your hand, tell to your teacher, and if you cannot reach to answer, look at the picture. A clue is there. A trunk and 4 legs. So which animal have this? Okay, so pause the video, answer this riddle to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, you answered it. Good job. You find this animal is there. It's elephant. Good. The next is, what is this? It helps us a lot. It gives us fruit. It gives us shade. Now think about the thing which gives us fruit. Mama gives us fruit, but what gives us shade? And it is, you see, it's not a person, it is a thing. It is a thing. So clue is there in this picture. Again, pause the video, find out the answer, raise your hand, tell the answer to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children. So what is there in this picture which gives us fruit and shade both? Yes, of course, it's tree, right? Okay, the next riddle is, Now something is talking about itself. I have legs 1, 2, 3, 4. It means there is a thing which has 4 legs, but I cannot walk across the floor. Uh-oh, there is a thing which has 4 legs but cannot walk. What is that? So for clue, look at this picture given on the next page. Pause the video, guess the answer, raise your hand, tell to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, what is that? Yes, in this picture, it's a table. It can be a chair as well, right? So this is how, by looking at the picture, we take the clue for the text and we try to find out the answer. All right, and the last riddle for this unit is, I am round like a ball, okay, and live in the sky. You will see me at night if you look up high. Oh, so this is the riddle and this is the clue. Pause the video, answer this riddle, and then come back. Yes, it is moon. You see, beta, this is how basically what we are learning. By looking at the picture, we understand the text, what this text is talking about. So I taught you in a riddle way, but for every text, whenever you find pictures in your books or in any magazine or whatever you are reading, so look at the pictures which will help you to understand the text. All right, are you clear with the concept? I am giving you an activity. It is very interesting activity. Your teacher might have already made the arrangements because there are 2 steps of this activity. In step 1, your teacher will show you a riddle and a picture for a clue. So you have to look at the picture, find the clue and answer the riddle. Okay. And in step 2, your teacher will divide class in 2 groups and both groups will ask riddle one by one from each other. And this game will go on till the time winner group is decided. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You see, today we learned in a fun way. All right. So here is your homework. You will learn 3 or 4 more riddles at your home. Enjoy this activity at your home as well. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet's lesson plan PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, here are pictures. You will look at the pictures, you will read the text and you will increase your understanding of the text by looking at the pictures and also color this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned to use pictures in text to increase understanding, and we achieved our SLO differentiate. By looking at picture, you can increase your understanding of text. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.